Okay, we've got Hudson, and he's just had his operation today to get his dew claws removed. Giving him a bit of bother, and as you can see, he's sleeping soundly in his light shade. He's a bit of a snorer, this one. I think he might need to get woken up, and you can see his surprise face. Hudson! There you go.
Pretty over there.
Yeah. You having a good snooze there? Bye bye Hudson, sleepy time.